Hey, Ryan Snyder, Senior Technical Specialist with Canon USA. We are here at InfoComm 2026 and I'm going to show you a few of the products around the booth. So first one we're going to start with is our PTZ cameras. We're showing the entire line of indoor and outdoor PTZ cameras. All of our cameras run on our Canon XC protocol, which is shared by the several products in the cinema side as well. So it makes it a very easy installation. Everything integrates together very nicely, and these controllers here can actually control not only the PTZs but our cinema cameras and our Pro Video camcorder as well. So what we have here is our three PTZ controllers, our RCIP 1000, our RCIP 300 that was just introduced about 2 months ago or so as a compact option. Both of these controllers can handle up to 200 cameras, and you have a nice touch panel here to be able to just touch focus, select cameras, run your presets and traces, and also activate our auto tracking and auto loop add-on applications.